Welcome everybody. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you about this Figma, F-I-G-M-A, Figma artist's model that you can get from Wish. It's only for $5, so this is what it looks like. The one in the background that you see is another one that's from Body Kun model. This one is only $5. Excellent product, I think, for $5. So I'm gonna open the female model in a minute, but you can see the male model. This is what it looks like. It's much more muscular, and you can very flexible. You can arrange the body, the head, move it around, and it's all, you can pull the hands off and fix them back again. So it's quite very, I would say, it's not fantastic, but it's quite good for $5 from Wish. So I totally recommend this, especially you can arrange for many different poses and make some great drawings, which I'm going to show you in a minute right here. So once again, Figma artist's model from Wish, and this is what it looks like. I just put it up on the stand that I have. It doesn't come with a stand, but it's a pretty decent model. You can attach the hands, and it comes with different types of hands and feet as well that you can fix and take off. And it's very flexible. You can move its body back and forth, and of course you can make some great drawings out of it. So here, as you can see, it's a great way for you to study and pose your model in different positions and gestures, and make your studies of figures, figure drawing. So just like I'm doing here. So it's very, very helpful from Wish. Figma, there you go. This is the female one that I'm just going to open it for you right now. The female model, the female version. I just showed you the male version, and this is female, and it's $5 each, ladies and gentlemen. So for $5, I would say it's definitely worth it. It's going to take about a month for you to get this, about 3 weeks for delivery, but you're certainly going to get it. It comes in two nice packages that I just opened, that you just saw me open. And it's quite flexible, as you can see. This is another thing that you're going to have to spend a lot of time studying how to model this and pose it. But it's quite flexible, allows you to make some different poses, but you have to take some time and be patient while you learn how to model this, okay? So it's a very, very good price for something that's as cheap as $5 for this model. I'm going to say it's really, really worth it. So the ones that you're going to see in the background is the male model, and the one in the lying one is the Body Kun model that I have. So I would say that I ordered it about 4 weeks ago, and I just got it about four days ago. So excellent way for you to be able to study your figures, pose the model in different ways, and make the model have different gestures. And you also can study a lot of this lights and shadows, so it's very, very helpful for the artist. All right, so here we have the two models that I set up right here. Once again, you can pose them in so many different ways. You can experiment. So I'm going to say both these for $5 each. So it's $10 for these two models, okay? It's definitely worth it, without a doubt. You can once again post them in many different ways. You have to learn how to work with them. So if you take your time posing them, moving the arms, moving the legs, moving the torso, the head, you can create different kinds of poses. And it's excellent for the artist to study and Once again, for $5 each, so it's $10 for the pair. And you know how the Wish, they have all these sales. There's so many items that you can buy them. So thank you all for watching this particular one about Figma. And keep connected, stay tuned, and have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching, all right? Definitely worth it for you to buy this Figma artist model.